Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to share my Persian kebab recipe. I'm going to cook both the lamb and the chicken version using the same marinade. So Persian kebabs are chunks of meat marinated in a blend of carefully picked spices. They are nicely seared on the outside and so incredibly juicy on the inside. They are best served with warm naan bread or on a bed of saffron flavoured rice. As always, all of the spices and ingredients I've used are listed in the description below. I'm going to start by patting the meat dry after I've washed it. I'm going to go ahead and cut the meat into 2-inch cubes like so. Firstly, I'm going to marinate the meat in some lemon juice, some garlic and ginger paste and also some salt. I'm going to give that a good mix and let that marinate for about an hour. And now to make the rest of the sauce, I'm going to get some natural yogurt and squeeze out all its juices using a cheesecloth. I'm going to add that yogurt to a bowl and add in all of the spices that are listed in the description below. I'm going to give that a good mix before adding in a drizzle of olive oil. So our marinade is now done. I'm going to equally split it out and add it to the lamb and the chicken. Once I've marinated that nicely, I'm going to leave it in the fridge overnight. I'm going to add some mixed peppers, some red onion and some tomato to the chicken. I've decided not to add it in the lamb this time, but you can if you want. Now that we've marinated that chicken and lamb, we're going to prepare the skewers. So I'm going to grill these under the grill for 20 to 30 minutes each side, turning occasionally and also basting with butter. And obviously I made a cute little portion for my niece Isra. Once I got this golden brown colour and the meat was cooked through, they were ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Just another quick and easy recipe for your weeknight dinner. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, guys. Till next time.